Since we've been here, and it's been over a full year now, of course, since we've had Rapid, there's been quite a few different things that have come through in different industry sectors. We've got a great view here on what's on this table, and we can walk through a couple to show everyone.
This year our slogan is Future Up Your Factory. That's our offer to the customers to help them to bring their factory to a higher industrial level.
Well, one of the great exciting things that we just announced here at Rapid in Chicago is the Workflow Center. And what the Workflow Center does is it allows the operators of our workflow to basically be able to connect to the cloud. So wherever they are in the world, they can connect with their laptop or their cell phone, get new updates and different things like that with their machine to make sure that it's running up to their specifications.
So what you see here is the PowerShot Dual Performance Series. It's the next evolutionary step for our cleaning and surfacing machines. What stands out is the connectivity to our existing or to our new digital services. So this way the operator has the option to monitor the status of the machine in real time, either through a cloud, or he can connect all the data output to his existing ERP system.
For the first time on a US trade show, you can not just only feel and see the Wilson LS prototype, but you can also take your shot.